How you doing out there? We're in Sacramento. There's a job I did about 4 years ago. We're doing a maintenance on it. Purpose of the video is the sealing of it. We're sealing it really good now. We sealed it back then, so we just got through cleaning it really good. But for the purpose of this video though, is I want to show you what, before I got here, originally many years ago, there was damage I couldn't get rid of. Like if you look over Mikey's shoulder here, see some of this dark mold stuff. You know, that was original. We couldn't get it out, but we slowed it down, so there wasn't any more mold that had grown this time. It was all just stuff from last time. Everything cleaned up really nice, and we're sealing them. So the purpose of the video is you gotta keep your flagstone sealed. You gotta keep the water repelling. You can't let it saturate in and out, because over time, that's when it gets the mold in there. It starts to get the algae growing. So most important of all, you gotta seal, and then use the right sealer. Don't put the shiny sealers on there outside. You'll start having problems with this, but that's another video. So right now we're putting on 2 layers of a good penetrator. That's gonna give it a little flavor to make it watertight. There's already sealer on here from before when we sealed it last time, so it actually, it seals in really, really nice when you already got, sealer in the pores from the last time we did it. So he's sticking to his maintenance. He's being one of the smart ones. I suggest you guys do the same. You invest a lot of money into building these patios and backyards and stuff. It'd be a shame for you to have to rip out an $80,000 patio because of some mold and some stuff that could have been prevented by taking care of it correctly. So like us, subscribe, share, stay informed, people. Stay informed. I'm telling you, you guys work hard for your money and you're wasting it. They'll sell it to you, they'll install it, but they won't tell you how to maintain it. You're gonna have to do your homework on that part.